In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get QuickBooks checking account statements in just 5 minutes. This process, while straightforward, can greatly enhance your financial management and give you better insights into your cash flow, invoicing, and transaction details. So let's dive in and guide you through each step. As with many online activities, the first thing you'll want to do is head over to QuickBooks Online. Now, accessing QuickBooks Online is simple. Open up your preferred web browser on your computer and type in the QuickBooks URL or search for QuickBooks Online in your search engine of choice. Once you're on the QuickBooks homepage, you'll notice a Sign In button conveniently located at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on the Sign In button. You'll be prompted with fields to enter your email and password. This is your QuickBooks account information. Ensure you have this information handy. If you've forgotten your login details, QuickBooks provides options for account recovery to help you regain access. It's crucial to keep your login details secure and avoid sharing this information to protect your account from unauthorized access. Once your details are entered correctly, proceed by clicking on the Sign In button again, and you'll be granted access to your QuickBooks dashboard. Here, you'll be introduced to a plethora of features designed to streamline your accounting tasks, and today our focus will be on obtaining your checking account statements. Now that you're signed in, turn your attention to the navigation menu. Look for the Sales tab. This is where you'll start the process to create your account statement. Click on that tab and you'll find yourself in the Sales area of QuickBooks Online. In the Sales section next, click on the Customers tab. This will compile a list of your customers, giving you a detailed view of your clients' transactions. The Customers section provides a robust summary that helps you engage better with your clients and manage customer relationships effectively. With the customers list on your screen, find the drop-down button that allows you to carry out varied actions. Clicking on this drop-down will provide more specific options for customer management. From here, what you're looking for is the Create Statement option. This is what we'll use to generate the documents you need. Once you've clicked on Create Statement, you will need to select your statement type. This part can seem a bit nuanced if it's unfamiliar. QuickBooks usually provides options like Balance Forward, Open Item, or Transaction Statement. Choose the option that best suits the details you intend to capture in your statement. Each type serves different needs and helps you focus on aspects like past balances, open items, or all transactions for a set period. Afterwards, you'll be prompted to select the statement date. Having the correct date is essential as it defines the period for which the statement will be compiled. Choose the date that aligns with your reporting period, ensuring it reflects the time frame you're interested in assessing. Once you've set the statement type and date, it's time to finalize the process. Look towards the bottom of the interface for the button labeled Save and Send. When you click this, QuickBooks will save your changes, create the statement, and send it out to the designated recipients. This feature is highly efficient for maintaining professional communication with your clients, helping them keep track of their accounts and fostering transparency. And there you have it. Checking account statements through QuickBooks Online can greatly assist in financial reviews, offering you a snapshot of financial transactions that aid in everything from budget management to tax preparation. Remember, regular updates and checks will help keep your account management smooth, organized, and proactive. Before you finish, ensure that any sensitive financial data is handled with care and shared only with authorized parties. With these steps, you're not only simplifying your bookkeeping, but also empowering yourself with relevant financial insights crucial for growing your business effectively. Congratulations on taking this step to better manage your finances. Thank you for tuning in today, and we hope this guide has been clear and helpful. For more insightful tutorials on navigating QuickBooks and other financial tools, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Drop any questions or topics you'd like us to cover next in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next video.